There's a new standard coming out which is effective January 1st, 2015, and it's called the P30 standard. It is a standard that ANSI has written for load handling equipment. Vertical rigging, horizontal rigging are all covered under this new standard. The definition of a critical lift has been changed. In the past, basically exceeding the capacity of the crane was considered a critical lift, or a tube crane pick was considered critical lift. But now, lifting over an occupied structure, lifting a piece of equipment with a high monetary value, lifting equipment within dangerous environments, all these have changed. And now they have come up with a specific requirement for a written plan signed off by all the responsible parties that are delineated within a crane lift. For more information, go to simcrane.com.